Very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners and welcome to the European Rundown for today, the 22nd of July. Actual news flow has been a bit lighter than what we've come accustomed to over the last few trading sessions, as much as the press continues to talk about the agreement we had in Brussels and the European summit on the second bailout for Greece, and also some of the new additional terms that will be also carried through to the likes of Ireland and Portugal. As a result, we've seen continued tightening in the 10-year bond yield spreads over German bunds, and we've seen the 2-year yield in Greece fall from roughly around 40% early in the week down to below 30 now, with the 10-year also trading below 16%, the first time we've been down there since around the beginning of June. As we look forward then, the equity markets in Europe continue to tick higher, led by the financial stocks in somewhat relief with this latest agreement in Brussels. And elsewhere, bond futures continue to be weighed upon by that strength in the equity markets, having had the higher close overnight on Wall Street and the upward moves across the Asian bourses as well overnight. Taking a look then in terms of the rest of the session, the close thing to keep an eye on will be any commentary out of the major rating agencies in terms of their interpretation of this latest development on the Eurozone and the situation in Greece, particularly that of the selective default scenario. We haven't seen anything as yet there, but likely we might see something later on in the session. And in terms of corporate earnings in the US, that will take precedence with a pretty light economic calendar from the United States. We'll have General Electric, McDonald's, Schlumberger, Honeywell and Caterpillar all to report ahead of the opening bell. In terms of macro data we have had, just to give you a quick update, the German IFO did come out slightly softer than expected, but broadly in line. Pretty muted reaction in both the euro and the bund on that, and industrial orders did come out slightly stronger than expected. But that concludes the opening wrap this morning. That's it from me. We'll have yourself a great trading day and a fantastic weekend.